Ahoy there, YouTube. Figured I'd quick do a little walk around of the yard, give you guys a little bit of an update, and well, first things first, hope you all had a very, very, very Merry Christmas and a super great New Year. Hopefully you get to spend this time doing some stuff with some family you love, or at least doing something you enjoy, whatever it is that makes you happy, and tickles your fancy. I hope you do that, and I hope you do it well. Figured I wanted to quick give you guys just a little bit of a walk around update of the yard, the fleet. I got some stuff in storage, but here's a majority of everything I got right here. And see what we got looking forward to, hopefully in 2023. So come on, let's go check it out. So first things first, over here is Alex's car, Stomper. I'm gonna get this thing in the garage here today and hopefully get started on the getting the timing and everything correct on it here a little bit. This is the Upper Peninsula rescue car over here. This is definitely going to stay a parts car. It's annihilated underneath, unfortunately. So we're probably going to do a part out video at some point in the summertime. Yank the trans, yank the diff, pull the engine out, check the compression, pull the interior and everything out of it, all the glass that's salvageable, doors, things like that. A lot of the body parts are probably going to go on this car, so that'll be pretty fun. Stay tuned for all that stuff. Over here, this car right here, you guys haven't seen yet, but this is a rescue that I recently got. The video for this will probably be live in a couple of days, so stay tuned and check that one out. Over here is the 86 rally car, the SEC Rallycross car. Before AC engine is done for this, the cylinder head's all ported and dagged and the whole 9 yards, so all I got to do is just start putting it together and get it running. So I'm going to do that sometime here in the spring, probably once the snow starts melting, because we got about 6 inches of it last night, if not more. The diesel Chevette's still hanging out back there. Nothing really exciting to share about that, unfortunately. Spud over here has been reliable as always. She's been the trooper of the fleet. This car is a workhorse, man. She's been incredibly reliable, even though she's getting a wee bit crusty, unfortunately. I think at some point this year I'm going to take my hand at buying a cheap welder and doing a little bit of rust repair on this thing. I know I say that every year, and then every year comes and goes and I don't do anything to it, but I really, really, really want to fix a little bit of stuff up on this car before it's too far gone to be driven, because this car has been incredibly faithful and incredibly loyal. I put over 40,000 miles on this car in the last couple of years, and that doesn't include all the other cars that I put 10, 20,000 miles on. So anyway, let's go look in the garage. Oh, the heat is nice. And over here we got the Canadian 245. She's just been incredibly reliable. I really haven't had to do a whole lot to her. A couple little things on and off, but for the most part she's been a trooper. I really need to fix the rear hatch harnesses on this thing and a couple other little electrical gremlins that I'm dealing with due to the old corroded wiring harnesses. And watching in Volvo's new videos really got me itching to take the carburetor out of this thing. Oh. Yeah, like I said, watching in Volvo's new video with this Weber carburetor on his new right-hand drive 740, it's really got me wanting to pull the carburetor off this thing and go through it and rebuild it, because I think that'd be really nice. I did remove the aftermarket cruise control system, which freed up a bunch of crap in this engine bay and pulled tons of wiring harnesses out of here, which is extremely nice. But beyond that, she's been faithful as always. And Thunderbucket over here is currently going under an exhaust surgery. I once again had the exhaust rip off on it, so I ripped the exhaust off the parts car and a pile of other stuff, and I'm kind of putting this back together. The video will probably be out of this if it's not already. And yeah. This is the one that's probably going to get a little bit of love this year. I am planning on putting a snorkel on it and taking it on a couple of road trips. Silver Lake Sand Dunes again, of course. Off-roading, I want to do the 7-hour plane crash trail, which leads from Wisconsin to the Upper Peninsula of Michigan. And there's talks of the 2023 meet and greet being out in Colorado. If that's the case, we're going to take her because she's my new wheeling toy. And we'll see how it goes. So yeah, I guess that's a little bit of what's to come in 2023. Hopefully a bunch of off-roading adventures. Hopefully some fun car videos, hopefully something new and something fun and challenging for me. Can't promise there won't be a rescue in between there. I tend to somehow get lucky and find cars, and I'm going to keep doing it as long as I have the ability to do so. Anyway, really appreciate you guys watching. All your likes, comments, subscriptions, and everything like that are incredible. I'm beyond blown away. I had what I thought was an extremely ambitious goal last year of doubling my subscribers from 500 to 1,000, and as of me recording this video, I'm at like 1,230. So thanks a ton for subscribing and watching the videos, guys. I really appreciate it, and we'll see what next year brings. Hope you all have a Merry Christmas and a wonderful New Year, and I'll catch you guys later. Adios.